Your Mustang Mach-E is equipped with an intelligent, electronically controlled door latch system called e-latch. A button located on each door releases the door latch. Here's how it works. With your key fob on hand or phone as a key, simply push the button to activate e-latch. Doing so will cause the door to unlatch and pop open slightly. A convenient pull handle just below the button is there to assist with opening the front door. Simply pull the handle to open it all the way. To open the rear doors, press the button on the door. The door will unlatch and open slightly. Then, simply pull the door open the rest of the way using the grab pad on the inside of the door. Once any door is open, it will not close again until it has been open all the way, so there's no need to worry about pinched fingers. To exit the vehicle from inside, simply pull the lever on the armrest. The door will unlatch so you can swing it open the rest of the way with ease. A few more things to know. If you lose electrical power and need to enter the vehicle, there are 2 power points in the front lower grille that allow you to attach jumper cables. With the cables connected, the front trunk will pop open so you can access the battery and charge it. Once the battery is charged, you'll have the power necessary to use the e-latches and open the doors. If you have a depleted battery or lose electrical power while inside the vehicle and are unable to use the e-latch, just pull the lever on the armrest all the way and the door will open. There are a few convenient ways to charge your Mustang Mach-E. Let me explain. First, every vehicle comes standard with the Ford mobile charger, so you'll never be too far from a charge if needed. You can find it stored under the carpeted panel in the rear cargo area. It includes 2 connectors, one that plugs into a 120-volt outlet and the other for a 240-volt outlet. When plugged into a standard 120-volt outlet, your vehicle will charge at a pace of about 3 miles per charging hour. With a 240-volt outlet, you'll get about 21 miles per charging hour. To charge your vehicle, first be sure the charge cord is completely unwound to avoid overheating during use. Plug the connector into the Ford mobile charger control box. Then, plug the other end of the connector into a dedicated outlet, making sure there are no other appliances on the same circuit to avoid tripping a circuit breaker. Locate the charge port in front of the driver's side door. Press on the center right edge to unlatch it. When the charge port door is opened, a helpful light above the port illuminates to assist with plugging in the charge cord. The charge status indicator light to the right of the charge port helps track the charging status of your vehicle. When the vehicle is plugged in properly, the light ring will illuminate, indicating that the connection has been made and a normal charge cycle has begun. While your vehicle is charging, the charge status indicator lets you know the progress of the battery's charge. Each of the 5 zones represents a 20% charge status. A pulsing light indicates the zone that is in the process of charging. When all 5 zones are illuminated, the charge is at 100%. You can also check the status of the battery charge in the cluster, on your Sync 4A screen, and on the Ford Pass app. Now, let's talk about the available Ford Connected Charge Station. This is the fastest way to charge your vehicle at home. The charge station can be installed inside a garage or on an exterior wall by a certified electrician. And best of all, it provides an estimated 30 miles per charging hour. Using the Ford Pass app along with the Ford Connected Charge Station adds several convenient features. You can lock and unlock the charge station, share access with family and friends, control charging speeds, and track your charging history and home energy usage, all through the Ford Pass app. And when you activate your Ford Pass charging connected services, you'll receive 2 years of complimentary access to pay-as-you-go charging on the Ford Pass charging network, the largest public charging network in North America offered by automotive manufacturers, which gives you easy access to over 13,500 public charging stations across North America. To continue driving you forward, your connected Mustang Mach-E handles software and feature updates seamlessly. Let me explain. Through the Ford Connected Cloud Service, Over-the-air updates are delivered directly to your vehicle via the onboard modem or Wi-Fi. These automatic updates are defaulted to on when your vehicle is delivered, and this is the fastest, easiest way to complete installations. Some updates will happen in the background while you're driving. Non-drivable updates require your Mustang Mach-E to be turned off for a short period of time. If your vehicle is being driven when a non-drivable update is scheduled, the system will not update and the installation will be postponed. You'll see an Update Unsuccessful icon on the Sync touchscreen status bar, and you can tap that icon for details. For both drivable and non-drivable installations, when you restart your vehicle after a successful update, you'll see a Software Install Successful icon, which you can tap for more information. To be sure your Mustang Mach-E is always up to date, you can set a recurring schedule so the updates will occur when you don't need to be driving. Touch Schedule Updates, then choose your preferred days and times and press Continue. System updates can also be taken care of at your Ford dealership, but keeping the default automatic updates switched to on is the easiest, fastest way to help ensure a seamless driving experience. Your Mustang Mach-E offers selectable drive mode experiences to fit your driving mood. Let me show you. To set your desired mode, use the standard 15.5-inch center touchscreen and touch the Mustang Mach-E icon in the top left corner, here. It'll automatically default to the control screen, and drive modes will be highlighted. From here, you can select Engage, where the ambient lighting is set to soft blue, and you'll enjoy a balance of excitement, comfort, and convenience, with in-vehicle sounds to enhance the experience. Whisper delivers a calm driving experience with gradual acceleration and a relaxed steering feel. The interior sound is turned off and the ambient lighting is blue. Or choose Unbridled mode for increased throttle response, a sporty steering feel, orange ambient lighting, and enhanced driving sounds for that exhilarating Mustang experience. In Whisper and Unbridled modes, you'll notice that the 10-inch digital cluster display reacts to your acceleration, braking, and handling. Whichever mode you select, all three modes are equally energy efficient. You can also choose the one-pedal driving feature, which allows you to control vehicle speed with the accelerator pedal, and reduces the need to use the brake pedal to slow the vehicle down. Instead, the vehicle slows down as you lift your foot from the accelerator pedal. This is most useful in stop-and-go traffic. To activate one-pedal driving, touch the Mustang Mach-E icon in the upper left corner of your touchscreen. Then, from the Drive Mode screen, slide the button to turn it on. It's that simple. Keep in mind that until you turn them off, Drive Experience modes and one-pedal driving will remain on each time you start the vehicle. Your Mustang Mach-E is designed with our latest electric vehicle technology to give you the exhilarating performance you expect from a Mustang through the torque of an all-electric powertrain. But did you know that you can conveniently charge your vehicle at home and schedule charge times? Let me explain. Your Mustang Mach-E comes with the Ford mobile charger, which is compatible with standard 120-volt outlets just about anywhere, and also with 240-volt outlets. When plugged into a standard 120-volt outlet, your vehicle will charge at a rate of about 3 miles per charging hour. With a 240-volt outlet, you'll get about 21 miles per charging hour. For a faster charging experience, you can have the 48-amp Ford connected charge station installed by a certified electrician inside the garage or on an exterior wall of your home. As a matter of fact, a Ford connected charge station can charge your battery from 0 to 100% in approximately 10 hours. That's an estimated 30 miles per charging hour. Did you know that you can even schedule charging? This feature allows you to potentially save money and charge during non-peak hours when your Mustang Mach-E is not in use. Scheduled charging can be set up in your Sync 4A system and in the Ford Pass app. On your screen, touch the Mustang Mach-E icon, then Settings, then Charge. You can check the charge status here. To schedule charging, press here to edit charging locations. Press here to add a new location, or here to edit an existing location. Set the name of the location and the maximum charging level and press Next. Then set your preferred charging times. You can even program your preferred departure times and comfort settings. Back at the charge screen, press here to do so. Setting a departure time allows your vehicle to minimize electricity costs, but still prioritize finishing charging by the time you need to leave. Setting cabin temperature allows your vehicle to use energy from the source it's plugged into for heating and cooling your vehicle, instead of using energy from the battery. This helps maximize your driving range. It's easy to charge your Mustang Mach-E while away from home thanks to these convenient options. Through your vehicle's Sync 4A with enhanced voice recognition system, you can locate charging stations along your route simply by saying, "Find the nearest charging station." The system will locate all public charging stations near you. Then, you can filter the results to find stations that are a part of the Ford Pass charging network or to find DC fast chargers. We'll get back to DC fast chargers, but first, let's talk about the charging network. The Ford Pass charging network gives you access to the largest public charging network in North America offered by automotive manufacturers. Your access includes other charging networks like Electrify America, Greenlots, and more. And when you activate your Ford Pass charging connected services, you'll receive 2 years of complimentary access to pay-as-you-go charging on the network, which gives you access to over 13,500 public charging stations across North America. And that network keeps growing. In addition, the Ford Pass charging network includes access to DC fast charging stations, where charging can take minutes instead of hours. For example, if your Mustang Mach-E is equipped with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive, charging at a DC fast charging station will add an estimated 61 miles of range in approximately 10 minutes. Another feature of your Sync 4A system and the Ford Pass app is called Power My Trip. It helps you pre-plan your route and locates the fastest and most convenient charging stations along the way. It can also tell you the price and power level of charges and the availability of charging plugs. Even better, you can save your trips in the Ford Pass app and through your Sync 4A system for future use. One more thing, if you happen to run out of charge, all-electric roadside assistance from Ford will flat tow your vehicle within a 35-mile radius to either your home, the nearest public charger, or an EV-certified Ford dealership.